Welcome cruisers to Prescribed Adventures. Today we are on Utopia of the Seas and we're staying in an Ocean View Balcony cabin on deck 6, 6680. Let's take a look inside. What? So first we'll start with the bathroom. You got your shower tube with the body wash. You got your shelving, towels, your sink, and the toilet. Next up we have, you got your closet space, lots of hangers, top and bottom. And on the other side of the couch, you got more hangers, you got shelving, you got your in-room safe, and more drawers underneath. And over to the other side, you got a desk area that also has a light. Got your chair, you got more drawers. Underneath you have your cooler, not really a fridge. Looks like we got some nice extras here. We got a little champagne, some Moscato, some waters. What do we get here? Some fruit. And it says that we got the key, but we didn't order the key, so maybe somebody picked the wrong room, but we'll take it. And over here we got the TV. We got some extra hanging hooks. And we have the king size bed, more like a queen, but they call it a royal king. You got lamps on each side of the bed, and those also have regular plugs and USB plugs. And the best part, the balcony. Yeah, a chair and a table. Come out and enjoy your morning walk. So that was a quick tour of our Ocean View balcony here on Utopia of the Seas, cabin 6680. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.